In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to delete photos here from Google Photos without deleting them here from your photos library in here. So all we wanna do is delete the pictures that we do have backed up in here within our Google Photos Drive or Google Drive, but we do not want them to interfere here with the pictures that we do have within Photos on our iPhone device, or even if you have an Android device, this will work for you as well. Do not worry, it's a simple process. I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, jumping straight into the very first step in here, in today's tutorial, we're gonna bring the control search, okay? I'm gonna search for Google Photos in here, Google Photos. If you're unable to search it from there, you can manually search for the app in here, search for Google Photos. Once you find it, open it up. Here we go. Now, the thing is, if for example, I tap on this little picture and I tap on trash, let's say that I wanna delete it from my Google storage, it's gonna say that moving items to trash, photos and videos will be removed from your Google account, devices with backup turned on, and places you've shared them within Google Photos. Which means that if I delete it from here, this will also delete the picture from my photo library in here, which is something that I don't want to happen, right? I just want to delete this picture from my Google Photos Drive or Google Photos account and keep that specific picture stored within my iPhone. Right, so what we're gonna be doing in here is pretty simple. We're gonna hop into my picture over there to manage my account. Next up, we're gonna tap here on backup, okay? Next up, the very first thing we need to do is turn off backup in here, okay? So you wanna toggle it off to turn off backup or automatic backup on your phone. Now, once backup is off, your phone is no more linked to your Google account and you do not have access and you do not have that specific connection, okay? Whatever you do here on Google Photos or whatever you do on your phone will no longer have a relation because you've unlinked your phone from backing up automatically, right? But I still have my photos here on Google Photos. They're all stored in here, and I do have my photos as well here within Photos. Now, every single photo I'm gonna take right now in here, for example, let me quickly click a photo. This photo will no longer be uploaded to Google Drive automatically. It's right here, but it won't fall into my Google Drive account, okay? It's showing here because it's my gallery, but it's not uploaded to my Google Drive anymore. Now, when you want to delete those specific photos from Google Photos, you need to first open up your browser in here, okay? There we go. Let me quickly open up a new browser and we're going to hop straight into this website, which is photos.google.com, okay? This is how it goes, photos.google.com, and then I'll tap on go in here, and there we go. It's now processing, right? There we go. We're now on this website from where we can actually manage Google Photos from. We're not accessing it from the app, okay? We need to access it from the browser. Now let's tap in here on create now or login. Let me just scroll down, search for login real quick. There we go. Where's this? Let me scroll down, probably here at the top. Let me tap on overview and then create now. Okay, let's tap on create now and then tap on cancel, for example. Okay, so something is happening in here. I'm unable to find the login button, but let me go back. I'll just type google.photos, okay? And then I'm gonna simply type login, okay? I'm gonna go to the login page. There we go. Sign in is right here. I've just searched in on Google. Sorry for the delay. There we go. And then it's gonna ask me to sign in with my email. Now I'm gonna sign in with the same email that I have it signed into my Google Photos. If you have any doubt, hop back into your Google Photos and then check the email that you have linked in here, which is this one right here. And then once you're done double checking, reopen Safari real quick and then log in with the email in here. Here we go. Once you're done typing in your email, tap on next. Let me quickly log in. There we go. It's now verifying that it's me. And then there we go. It's going to ask me for a few verifications. Next up, I'm going to tap on skip in here real quick. And there we go. We now have access to my Google Photos. So that's how you actually perform it, right? Sorry for the delay. All you need to do is just search on Google Photos login, because there's a specific link to log in. Basically what they're saying is they're trying to force you to download the application. That's why you're unable to see the login button quickly, right? There we go. So once you're here, the next thing you're gonna do, for example, let me go and open this picture in here. We do have this one. Simply tap on the three dots or simply go back. Okay, let me open, for example, from here. Yes, right here we do have the photos. Once you open it, let me tap on not now. Simply tap on trash in here to delete, and then it's gonna ask you to delete or move to trash. Simply tap on got it and then move to trash. Now that photo has been successfully deleted. I'm gonna do it again. Second photo in here, move to trash. There we go, it has been deleted. Now do not worry, this will not essentially delete from your iPhone because your phone is no more linked and it's not backing up any sort of photos, right? And you can also select multiple pictures by tapping on three dots, select photos, and then simply select a few photos in here, 1, 2, 3 for example, and then tap on trash at the top right corner, tap on move to trash. Pictures have been deleted successfully. Now we do have the trash in here. If I tap on the three bars and tap on trash in here down, we do have all the recently deleted files in here or photos that we can access, and then we can delete it further if we wish to free up some space. For example, in here I can tap on X and then empty trash. Empty trash will essentially delete all those photos from your Google trash, okay? And once you do that, you're actually freeing up a lot of space in here. If your primarily aim is to actually free up space, then make sure that you're also freeing up space from the trash as well. Now this is how easy you can actually delete photos, documents, because you can also access documents in here and screenshots and a lot more stuff. This is how you can essentially delete a lot of stuff in here from your Google Photos or your Google account seamlessly without interfering with the device which was backing up that specific data. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people and, of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq till the end, and if you find my content useful, do not forget to like the video and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.